Now you can see something, how it looks, and it will be connected like this. Servo brackets, it's kind. Okay, so we tie this screws as well. Screw this like this. And today it's a big day for me and for our new robot MiKE. The big servos, 60 kilograms. If you want to compare the size of that servos to normal servos, this is the normal standards. He have that 2 servos in his body, but MiKE already have their leg, but that's not true. I'm going to use just let's zoom in. I'm going to use, so now we have these both legs. Maybe not ready, but now you can see something.